I'm Paul Casey, your coach in growing forward in your life. Did you realize that every time you procrastinate one of your priorities, you are choosing anxiety over peace? For instance, I was driving around town with my gas tank almost on empty, but I had a busy schedule running around town with errands and clients, and I just kept putting it off. Whenever I looked down at the gauge, I got a wave of anxiety, to be honest, wondering how long I could go, but continuing to drive past gas stations. Finally, I stopped before it would have been disastrous. What about you? Do you keep staying really busy without really doing the tasks that have the most payoff in your job or in your life? Procrastination is like using up the mental RAM in your brain, which tries to hold all those things that you keep putting off. Action, on the other hand, checks off those items on your list, and it checks it off your brain as well, and it gives you a shot of endorphins, which makes you feel energized to keep the productivity momentum going. So don't choose to stay on empty by waiting yet another day to tackle a priority task, and you'll keep growing forward. Hey, if you want to get your time management under wraps this year, I encourage you to check out my new checklist called Control My Calendar Checklist. It's free, and I want to send it to you. What you do is you open a text message to 72000, that's 72,000, and type in the word growing. And I'm going to send you that free Control My Calendar Checklist. It'll get you kickstart into that, and then let me know if you need some help in implementing that. Hey, keep growing forward.